Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 5 Social Psychology for Saturday, March 4th. And like I always do, just going to go over a few reminders and clarifications, anything I think you need to know to stay on top of things in the course. So let's get started. First up here, your first part of your part 1 of your APA style literature review paper, your topic thesis and list of 5 references. That was due this week there. So I will be posting the feedback soon. So do take a look at that feedback there, and don't take that feedback as like a stab to the heart kind of thing. I'm just trying to provide you constructive, objective feedback so you can easily remedy some of the issues. A number of you had issues with the caliber of your references not being research articles, and or especially here formatting your references in proper APA style. So I give you pretty detailed feedback so you can fix all that stuff. So when you do the next part of the paper, the final literature review, that you don't have the same mistake twice and end up getting dinged for the same points again. So do remedy those problems. They're usually easily remedied there, and I give you enough feedback that you can easily do that. So take advantage so you don't lose the points again there. Okay, and if you did not submit your part 1 for some reason there, you might want to run at least your topic and such by me so I can at least take a look at it so I can see you're on the right track and you don't end up turning in a disaster for your final paper there. And that final literature review paper is due next month there on Monday, April 10th. So you've definitely got some time there to go ahead and do that. So, okay. Next up here is that the most recent chapter quiz and discussion on emotion, that was due there yesterday on Friday. So most of you submitted that and did a really good job there talking about emotion, and on your discussion board there, I should say, talking about how emotion brought out the best in you or the worst in you, as the case may be. So I was pleased to read some of your stories. They're really interesting stuff. Next up here is that our next chapter 7, which is all about attitudes. That quiz and discussion is due next Friday there on the 10th. And don't forget that time differential as always. The discussion is due a bit earlier at 9 p.m. The quiz is due a bit later at 11:59 p.m. Otherwise, that's everything I wanted to say for this time. We have our live session this coming Monday at 1 p.m. I already sent out the Zoom link for that, so if you need anything, it's basically open office hours. I'll be there for the hour, so if you want to talk about anything or ask anything, please come. Otherwise, make sure you're watching those lecture videos. It'll really help you master some of the concepts there. And if you need anything else, do email via Canvas there, and I'll be glad to get back to you. And just one final reminder here, too, per our course calendar, the last day to drop a full semester course for this spring 23 semester is this coming Friday, March 10th. So if you don't want to be in any class, this class or any class you're taking right now, Friday next week is the last day you can drop there, else you're going to remain in the course as a registered student, and if you stop participating, you're going to have to receive a letter grade, and of course it'll probably be a failing grade because you haven't done the work. So if you care about your GPA, your grade point average, do the right thing and go into self-service and disenroll yourself from the course so you don't have that problem there if that's what you plan to do. All right, that's everything I wanted to say for this time, so hope you're having a good weekend, and I will see you here next time, and I'll see you in those lecture videos. Take care until then. Bye-bye.